Don't you just hate cleaning the aquarium the old school way? It's so troublesome. Well, let me introduce you the Fishkeeper Aquarium Magnet Cleaner Brush. Straight out of the box. Let's take a look at this aquarium magnet cleaner brush. So you have a very nice handle right here. This is a magnetic brush. Okay. So this is available in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. I decided to get the medium because I have a 55-gallon tank. So how you remove it is to simply pull it with some force and slide it open. And you will use this cardboard to put it back in place when it's not in use. And this is I call this the cleaner end. Okay, this kind of looks like a Velcro attachments. All right, so you have 2 heads, interchangeable heads. You have the plastic head, which you slide in like this. Which I'm going to start out with first. Okay, and carefully, if you want to remove it, just go ahead and carefully pop it out. And here's a stainless steel end. That's probably meant for more like glass. Okay, but I have an acrylic tank, so I'm going to start out using this. All right. So just imagine you put this on the inside of the tank and you slowly slide it until it connects it via the magnet, and then that's when wherever you move it, the inside will move. That's how you use that magnetic force to clean the tank. All right, so this is my 55-gallon aquarium. I have about 18 fish in here, different variety. So here's how you use it. First, you're gonna put the magnet side in the interior. I have the scraper on here with the plastic scraper, see? I'm gonna put it in here, okay? And now with the handle side, I'm gonna slowly, okay? Slowly glide it until it attracts to that, okay? See? Now I'm doing the cleaning. All right, so we're gonna concentrate around this area. You see the algae right here? Oh, wait a minute. That's too low for that. Okay, but it looks like it can move the gravel a little bit too. Hold on a second. But what if I rotate it upside down? See? Gotta think smart. Now I can clean the bottom too. Oh, that's so fun. The fish doesn't seem to be too scared of it either. Look at that clean. Oh yeah, definitely did get rid of that algae area, see? Now everybody's happy and I can see my fish clearer too. So let's see what happens if I round this corner. My guess is that it's gonna lose its traction. Oh wait, it still stayed. Okay, because it's a pretty strong magnet. Wow, it's definitely doing its thing though. All right, so there's one thing to keep in mind. It depends on the thickness of your aquarium, and mine is. So the thickness of my acrylic aquarium is about 0.2 inches, okay, thick, and it's able to accept 0.25 to 0.375 thick walls. Here's from the other side to show you what it looks like, okay? So just imagine if you have a lot of algae, it's going to clean it with the brush along with the scrape, okay? All right, now I'm going to attempt to remove it. You simply, see, take it out and float to the top. Easy, right? Okay, and since my aquarium is generally pretty clean, that's why you don't see too much mess. But with that strong magnet, you know it's going to be effective against cleaning any type of debris in there. Okay, pop up that one. Now I'm gonna put in this one. Okay, with the metal blade. Same concept. See? Let's go in a circle. So what happens if I go very fast? See? It stays on there too. Just be careful with the metal blade though. So as you can see, this is so fun to use and is actually very smart that they invented something like this using the power of magnet. That's physics for you. But make sure you keep in mind to order the appropriate size and make sure you check to see is the thickness right for your aquarium. So as you can see, it is designed to remove algae and impurities without really scratching it. And also the outer brush cleans the stubborn stains and deposits, making it ideal for maintaining your aquarium and keeping its cleanliness to ensure the health of your favorite fish. Definitely give the Fishkeeper brand a look.